not about how fast you ride, but how well you ride. Mastery begins with learning. This course isn't just about handling a motorcycle. It's about building the confidence, discipline, and awareness that every responsible rider must have. Whether you're here to learn the basics or to refine your riding techniques, this course is designed to give you the tools, knowledge, and experience to ride, not just with style, but with responsibility and awareness.
As participants of the 40-day motorcycle riding course, Class 03-01-3-R7-2025-004. Good luck, riders.
Take every lesson to heart, ride with purpose, and remember, true skills starts with a willingness to learn. Riding a motorcycle is not just about the thrill. It's about control, respect for the road, and most importantly, safety.
Sabi ko sa inyo, the first lesson that you learn from this training is yung letter H, which is humility. Then the second lesson is yung letter S, is safety. Then here comes the letter R, reinvigorate. In riding motorcycle, you have to be strong. Strong arms and legs.
And in my capacity as the Acting Chief of the Regional Learning and Doctrine Development Division, I hereby present to the officer in charge of the Regional Special Training Unit 7, Police Lieutenant Colonel Erwin M. Fabroques, the 60 participants, composed of 2 Police Commission Officers and 58 Police Non-Commissioned Officers.
Over the next few days, our qualified instructors will guide you through practical exercises. Safety protocols, road awareness, and essential riding habits. We encourage you to ask questions, stay engaged, and make the most out of every session. Let this be more than just a training. Let it be the start of a lifelong commitment to responsible riding.
We gather here to formally accept the men and women of Class Guia Maral, who have successfully completed one of the most rigorous and demanding motorcycle riding course of Highway Patrol Group. The presence of our tigers here elevates the significance of the milestone.
You have shown courage, determination, and a willingness to embrace something greater than yourself. You are not just enjoying a group, you are becoming a part of a family, a tradition and a legacy built by those who came before you.
By the Director of the Philippine National Police Training Service, Brigadier General Marcelo B. Dayag, and in my capacity as the officer in charge of the Regional Special Training Unit 7, I hereby declare the motorcycle riding course Class 03-013-R7-2025-004 with 60 participants open, effective today, October 6, 2025.
submit your willingness to undergo the most important training and the most difficult training in the Philippine National Police.
Raw, wild, and unbreakable. We didn't just ride, we carved a legend. We didn't just learn, we turned fear into fuel.
The course is proud to have 60 officers from various units participating. Each participant has taken an important step toward becoming more confident and skilled riders.
It reminds us that this training is not merely about skill, but about duty, responsibility, and the continuing professional growth of our police personnel and our trained tigers.
It's a good day to have done it again now. And it's a good day to be a tiger!
Maraming unos, maraming sugat, ngunit ang puso ay di magpapatalo.
And then the most freaky and fantastic part, the jump week. We practice the jump, then comes final jump. Lahat kami nag-survive. And I'm very proud, sir, that Gia Maral, 60 strong, andito kami ngayon. Na-injured, umaray, pero life goes on. Gagraduate kaming tiger. Sir, RC, I will take this opportunity to thank you kasi sir, ginawa mo akong one of a kind. Ginawa mo akong hybrid, sir. Madami akong natutunan. We didn't just pass. We became a force that rises together. And that's how I end my class impression. Gia Maral! Yeah!